There's still a fight, though. And that brings us to this story. 2 high school boys in Northern Virginia were punished for allegedly questioning a female student who identifies as male. That student went into the boys' locker room. Now, the boys in the locker room received a 10-day suspension for their reaction to this. Their parents sued Loudoun County Public School District, but there's more. A federal judge ordered the parents to post a $125,000 bond to continue the lawsuit to ensure the parents would be able to pay for the school district's attorney's fees if they end up losing. The parents raised that money, and they raised it quick, and they're going to be able to continue their legal fight. So joining me now is the mother of one of those boys, Renee Smith, and co-counsel to both parents, Josh Hetzler. Renee, I'd love to start with you. In case somebody hasn't yet heard the story of your son and his friend, what did they do when the female identifying as a male went into the boys' locker room?
They had simply a natural reaction to a girl being in the boys' locker room and merely asked the question, why is there a girl in the boys' locker room? I'm uncomfortable. There's a girl in the boys' locker room. How that gets to sexual harassment is beyond me.
So that's it, Renee. Simply noticing reality and offering a soft complaint that it's not right. That's what has amounted to their would-be suspension and sexual harassment allegations?
Absolutely. And what is the message that we're sending to young kids across this nation when we're punishing them for speaking up in situations like that, for standing up for their rights?
Yeah, I mean, the message is quite clear that you have to cave to everyone else's insanity. Now, Josh, the judge required everyone to raise a $125,000 bond to continue the lawsuit, suggesting that I need to ensure you can pay if you lose the lawsuit. Is that normal in a lawsuit like this?
Well, let me just say we were very grateful to get the victory of the preliminary injunction, which did say that the boys would continue to go to school and that this would not be on their permanent records through the litigation. But yes, the judge did something very unusual, something that we question whether it's lawful, requiring them, the parents, to pay the school district's legal fees. By the way, the school district said to the court, their legal fees are being paid by insurance. So it's not going to hurt them at all. But the implication is that if the parents can't come up with $125,000 within 3 business days, then their kids are going to be the ones who are punished. Now, thankfully, we saw an outpouring of support in that short time. And last night by midnight, they had raised all the money. And I think it's because, Americans are seeing what this represents, and they know how absurd it is. And we're just so grateful for the outpouring of support. And now we're able to keep these boys in school and this off the records for now. But we look forward to fighting on.
All right. It's got to make you feel good, Renee, and we'll continue to follow the case as it moves through litigation. Josh, Renee, thank you for both being with us here today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.